Thank you again for watching our videos. As you can clearly see, this is a Flender box for a paper pulp shredder. When the box arrived, it had some damage on the helical gears due to bearing failure. The helical gears were repaired and reground, hand dressed. The spiral bevel gears were hand dressed as well to compensate. All brand new bearings and seals from the OEM, obviously. This box has been running for about 4 hours now. It will continue to run. Make sure there's no vibration, no overheating, or no leaking. We will drain all oil out and prepare for shipping. So thank you again for watching, and have a nice day.